सो गाइज आज हमारा जून बैच का एडवांस डाउ का क्लास चल रहा है और ये है शाजू जी। तो आज आपको कैसा लगा क्लास शाजू जी?
This was a different type of class I attended. I attended already 7, 8, 9 different trainings. But this is something different I have learned here because it was like a revealing with how to go about without much stress. As he was telling about stress. So हम लोग को प्रॉफिट बनाना है विदाउट मच स्ट्रेस एंड वी शुड आल्सो बी रिच इन टाइम। वो ये स्ट्रैटेजी और साइकोलॉजी जो पढ़ाया है दैट इज वेरी गुड एंड इट विल हेल्प अस टू अचीव आवर गोल। डेफिनेटली इट विल गेट आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट दैट दिस विल हेल्प अस स्पेशली फॉर पीपल लाइक मी। आई एम रिटायर्ड बैंक एम्प्लॉय, so we want much stress-free life. Still, I want to do something so that I can earn some extra money. So that purpose it is very useful. I confident that I will achieve my goal within that next March 23. I will kept my goal. So it is option try करेंगे and I will usually also explaining all details very clearly. And especially that master structure, that session was very good. And one thing I learned is whenever there is a series of losses, 3-4 losses, we should go big. Nobody has told this type of idea so far. So other trainings attended also, nobody has told this type of idea. This whenever losses are there, we should go big. With more capital we have to employ so that next we can make big money. So this type of tips are there, and I'm happy with this training, even though the price is high, but it is worth. Even if somebody pays more than this also, this is training much more worth than whatever he will charge from us, and it will help us for building a big portfolio. So that's my plan, and I hope that I will achieve that. Thank you, Steve, for this wonderful training.
थैंक यू शाजू जी।